How the fuck do you say that word now, little girl, bruv? Can you give me some tips on crust? Yeah. Procrastination. Yes. Can you give me some tips on what? Can you give me some tips on procrastination? Well, let me tell you something. Really and truly, there's not really much you can say about procrastination. You just, you have to beat it at all odds. You have to fight it. You have to tell your mind, say, that's you want and that's you go get, and nobody and anybody can get in my way. So you have to fight it, you have to beat it. I say it go. Murder your shot and stop begging on the internet. Listen to me, Trish Johnson. Come here, Trish. Yeah, because I don't know where your blood clot favor. I don't know what you favor, Trish. Yeah? But don't come fucking tell me to stop begging on the internet. I told you lot before, I will always beg. I will beg. I will beg to thy kingdom coming to London Bridge. I will beg. Don't Bumbleclot tell me nothing. Because if you people had the support like me, if you people were so loved by so many people in the world, if you people had a platform like me, yeah, you would ask. You just jealous, Tish. You're a jealous lanky. That is what you are. You're a jealous woman. You're jealous because you don't have that kind of love. So I don't give a fuck. I'm a hustler. I'm a beggar. I'm everything. You cheeky woman coming here with your 6'7" self. You're bright. You're fucking bright. Cheeky woman. Is your hair 150 pounds? What? Are you throwing shade? Don't throw shade like that. About is my hair 150 pounds? Don't throw shade like that. Because the last time I checked, closed mouth don't get fed, and if you don't ask, you shall not receive. So guess what? What I want, I will ask for it. And if it lands in any of my fucking hands, I'ma grab it. Okay? Jealous. Jealousy salama. Lani needs to whoop you. Well, guess what? I hope she does one day. I hope she can. I hope so. What you waiting for, Lani? Beat me up. Do it. The world's your oyster. Is that what you want to hear? All right, then you got it then. And you know what that girl said as well? Lani's so fucking rude. That rude bitch. Do you know what she said? The girl said, oh, I need the money. I need the money because I don't have a car. I need the money. That's why I don't have a car. That's what look so a blood clot. Yeah, I said, Well, Lani, look on your blood clot now. Lani, what is money? Lani, let me ask you a question. That's why you see girls like, oh no, you lot are the type of girls to go to buy a met man shitting on a blood clot more for 20 bags. Lani, you will sell your soul. You belong with the Illuminatis. You understand what I'm saying? That's who you lot belong with. Lani, let me tell you something. You might have more money than me, sweetheart. But I have heart. I have something that you cannot even have or can't even buy. Money can't buy this shit. I can't sell out myself for money. And you are the type to sell out yourself for blood clot money, but not me, darling. I don't need to come on social media and brag about how much money I've seen, how much money I've held in my hand. The people that do the most bragging are the brokest ones. They might see that money, but once that money goes, it'll be long for them to get that money back. I don't need to come on social media and brag about money and this and money and that, but I've seen those figures. I see more than that figures. Come on, be for real. Remember, HMRC's watching us all. Just remember that. I ain't fucking stupid. I ain't dumb. I'm broke as fuck. Renee, I'm broke. I need it. I ain't got to come on social media and talk about, oh, man just got 20 bags and this and that. Nah, fuck that. Fuck that. Come on. Open up a salon. I started with 30k. So you talking about, oh, I can't get a car. With the amount of man I have mined in my past life, could more than got a car. Come on, sweetheart. People that get money in real life don't need to come on social media and brag, baby. People move, they move in silence. The amount of man I've picked up and mined back in my past life is more than 5 grand. You live and you learn. That's how it go. You live and your blood clot learn. Are you going to do the boxing match? Don't ask me no question and go do boxing match in your bed. You're in here asking people they're going to do boxing match. You want to come take the boxing? Who did you hear? You know about that when I post it, baby. And why do people in here trying to trouble me? It's 10:18. Fucking hell, it's bare early, man. Why is it so... It's early, innit? But I didn't think it was this early. Well, you know what my time now for come off of this, you know. I shall come back later. I want to go sleep, I'm tired. I just feel tired. I'm gonna know what I want. I just want to sleep. If you ordered a hair glue, it's been shipped today, so you get it Monday morning. If you ordered the dog blood, it's also been shipped today, so you'll get Monday morning. Guys, I've got 20 dog bloods left, which is just 1 bag. So if you do want some dog blood and you're trying to get pregnant, the link is in my bio on Instagram, and the link is also in my bio on TikTok. So if you go to my TikTok profile, you'll see the link to the website. Castor oil right now, it's being held at Heathrow, and Heathrow got, like, I think there was a fire near the airport or something like that. So bare shit's going on. So they had to, like, stop the planes or something. So my stuff is being held at customs right now. So I'm just waiting. But castor oil, your orders are still just being placed on hold. I'm trying my best. I'm working very hard. And if I get an update from FedEx, I would definitely let you know. But so far, I have glues in stock, and I also have dog blood in stock, but not much. So I'm gonna go take this wine, and you know what I'm about to do, right? Put some lip gloss on because I might have to look up in the eyes. Clock the room. Read the room and don't chat my business. So I'll see you guys later, yeah? Daddy, I'm coming.